Okay, friends, please note how you hold the leg and how you move, how you rotate from left to right. All those things are very important in order to get these techniques correct. Okay, the first two moves are very simple. We're just going to traction and lift, and traction and lift again in a different angle. Don't forget, you can add internal and external rotations anytime you want. Okay, let's do the same technique again, only this time we're going to add a little bit more of a stretch for the quads. Now let's finish out this sequence with a stretch. Well, it's a stretch for some, not for everyone, with a little bit of compression for the hamstrings. By the way, we did all of this without lotion or cream. This was the pre-massage float. Now let's see what some of these techniques look like while using massage cream. So now we can start to add more gliding techniques, more effleurage, more petrissage,